And welcome to break 3062 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Basketball Limited Edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, August 14th, 2020. It's 11 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 p.m. Central Time, and 8 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Ed with 1 spot, P2J with 3, Mr. G 3, Ken 2, ICT 2, right on 4, Ed 4, Vlad 2, Chef 2, Mike 5, Robberman 1, and Moss with 1 spot. Now let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Ed on top, Moss on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Chef Brad on top, P2J on the bottom. All right, Chef Brad, you have the Hawks, Mike Celtics, Ed Nets, Mr. G Hornets, Ken with the Bulls, Mike Cavaliers, right on with the Mavericks, Ed with the Nuggets, Robberman Pistons, Mr. G Warriors, Vlad Rockets, Pacers, Mr. G Clippers, right on Lakers, Grizzlies, P2J with the Heat, Chef Brad Bucks, Ed with the Timberwolves, Mike Pelicans, ICT Knicks, Moss with the Thunder, P2J Magic, Ken with the 76ers, Mike Suns, right on Trailblazers, Mike Kings, Ed with the Spurs, Raptors, ICT Jazz, and last but not least, P2J with the Washington Wizards. All right, good luck, everybody. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Top and bottom. Okay, empty, empty. Let's see who we have here. We have 2 players, both for the Heat. We have Champions National Signature Gary Payton, Authentic Signature 1 out of 25, and Alonzo Mourning. Congrats to whoever has the Miami Heat. Check that out. So Gary Payton auto, Alonzo Mourning auto, 1 out of 25, Miami Heat. Who has the Heat? The Miami Heat going to P2J. Congrats on break 3062 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Basketball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to 3064 and another 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint baseball card pack. Thanks.